Okay, so let's just jump right into this. What if I told you that right now, like this very moment, you have a 10-year head start on a revolution? A revolution that's making millionaires out of people building amazing businesses completely on their own from anywhere. We are in this really unique time where one person with just a laptop and an army of AI tools can build what used to take a team of 50 people. And look, this isn't just hype. It's happening right now.
And there's a real sense of urgency here. A former researcher from OpenAI basically put out a forecast saying that by 2027, AI is going to reshape society even more than the Industrial Revolution did. The message is pretty clear. This window of opportunity, the one for early movers to really capture the wealth, well, it's closing, and it's closing fast. If you wait, you might just be too late.
And this isn't some sci-fi fantasy. The money trail proves it. I mean, top venture funds have poured about $160 billion into AI startups in just the last year and a half. This is a full-blown gold rush, and it is happening on a scale we have just never seen before.
So that leads to the million-dollar question, right? With giants like Meta spending billions, how can you, just one person, possibly compete with that? Well, here's the thing. AI isn't just a toy for the big corporations. It's the great equalizer. It is completely leveling the playing field and giving the little guy a chance to punch way, way above their weight class.
Okay, so if AI is this great equalizer, where in the world do you even begin? Well, it all starts with the idea. This is where most people get stuck for like months. But the secret isn't some huge revolutionary concept. It's about finding what they call a founder opportunity fit, that perfect sweet spot between what you're actually good at and what people will happily pay for.
And the amazing thing is just how simple this whole process is now. You can literally ask an AI to be your business consultant. Just tell it, hey, interview me about my skills and passions. And within a few minutes, boom, it will spit out tailored business ideas. This takes you from that I have no idea what to do feeling to having 5 solid personalized options in less time than it takes to brew a pot of coffee. Now, one of the most popular and honestly most accessible ways to start is by creating what's known as a GPT wrapper. It sounds super technical, I know, but it's really not. You're just taking a powerful general AI and channeling all its brain power to solve one specific problem really, really well for a very specific audience.
Think of it like this. The base AI model, the large language model, is like raw electricity. It's incredibly powerful, sure, but not very useful on its own. A GPT wrapper is the appliance. It's the toaster, the kettle, the light bulb. You're not inventing electricity. You're just harnessing it in a very particular way to create something people actually want and need.
So where can you apply this stuff? Well, the opportunities are everywhere. Take agentic AI. These aren't physical robots. Think of them as AI employees that you can build to automate boring, repetitive tasks for other businesses. Like imagine an AI that sifts through thousands of sales leads to find the handful of perfect ones. The key is to just pick an area you understand and find a painful bottleneck you can solve.
All right, so once you have your idea, the next phase is launching. And thanks to AI, what used to take months of work and thousands of dollars can now be done in a single weekend. And for less than your Netflix subscription. No joke. You can generate a great, brandable name and a professional-looking logo in minutes. Then you use an AI website builder. You answer a few simple questions about your business, and it will generate a complete, professional, multi-page site, contact form and all, in seconds. All the heavy lifting is done before you've even finished your coffee.
And you can get momentum just as quickly. This simple action plan shows you how you could literally land your first paying client in just 1 week. You start with people who already know and trust you. You offer to solve their problem, and you get that first win. The goal here isn't some complicated sales funnel. It's just direct, simple action. Think you could do it in a week?
Okay, now we get to the truly mind-blowing part, running the actual business. This is where you build your AI army and automate the work of an entire company, letting you scale up without ever hiring a single person.
This is where things get really, really exciting. AI is a massive force multiplier. Take this company Vice. They went from a team of 160 people down to just 40. But here's the crazy part. They now handle 10 times the number of accounts. They did it by focusing on one single question. How do we automate everything? That's the exact mindset of a one-person AI business.
So here's a practical example, the content flywheel. You write one single blog post. An automation tool like Zapier then sends it to an AI, which rewrites it perfectly for LinkedIn, for Twitter, wherever you want. Then Zapier automatically posts it for you. This isn't just about saving time. It's about building a system that constantly generates authority and attracts customers for you, 24/7.
So you see, you're not just a solo founder, you're the CEO of a whole AI-powered company. Your AI sales team can use a tool like Apollo.io to find your perfect customers and draft personalized outreach emails. Meanwhile, your ops team, using Motion, is automatically scheduling your meetings and sending onboarding documents the second a client signs up. Your job isn't to do all the work, it's to oversee the system.
But with all this incredible technology, it's so easy to forget the most important component in this whole equation. The tools are amazing, for sure, but they are not the secret to success. There's one thing that AI simply can't automate. And that thing is you. The founder of Perplexity, a company that went from zero to a $3 billion valuation in just a couple of years, he put it perfectly. The ultimate differentiator is obsession. It's caring about the problem more than anyone else. That's the human drive that AI can amplify, but it can never, ever replace it.
And that obsession is what fuels the real secret to staying ahead: continuous improvement. Don't try to be perfect overnight. Just try to be 1% better every single day. Test a new email subject line, tweak your website headline, add one tiny step to your automation. These small, daily improvements compound, and over a year, they make you exponentially better.
So the AI gold rush isn't coming, it's already here. The tools are ready, the opportunity is wide open, and the playing field has officially been leveled. You now have the blueprint. The only question left is, what are you going to do with it?